This is the big football stadium of Bouaké right there.
Le Burkina était logé ici.
That's where
L'Algérie était logée ici.
the AFCON happened.
L'Angola était logé ici.
Oh, ok.
Et puis maintenant, la Mauritanie était logée ici. Pendant le quart de finale maintenant, la Côte d'Ivoire a joué un match ici. Contre le Mali. Le Nigeria a joué un match ici. Comme le Cameroun.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right there, this is the biggest football stadium of Bouaké. That's where the AFCON, one of the AFCON event was happening here. So we are heading toward the football stadium of Bouaké, called the Stadium of La Paix. La Paix.
Stadium of Peace.
Peace, yeah, peace. Peace mean, paix mean in English peace. That's the biggest stadium of Bouaké. And for those people who want to invest in Bouaké, they have found the right spot. Bouaké has a lot of business opportunity. In real estate, agro-business, Bouaké is the right place for you guys.
Il faut faire attention. Je ne sais pas s'ils ont réchappé. Il y a un trou sur la route là quelque part. Un affaissement.
We are in Bouaké. So the stadium right there. The Stadium of Peace, as you can see, the Stadium of Peace of Bouaké. Big stadium and is well constructed. Very nice. See how big that is? Yeah.
Ici, c'est l'ancien stade qui est devenu un terrain d'entraînement.
Okay, and right here, this is the former football stadium. It has become a training playground.
Au feu, là, on va à gauche.
So we are right now driving in Bouaké. You can see the road.
Gauche, j'ai dit gauche.